Hey, this is shawnshawn. I sell art on shawnshawn.co and specials on eBay. Today I'm going to give you a tip of the day called the small to big strategy. So the small to big strategy is basically in every sales, type of business, even if it's art, it's music, whatever, books, it's always a funnel. So it always goes down from the top to the bottom. So you always have people that see your art, then you might have people have some interest, and then you have some people that ask you some questions, and then you have people that actually get close to buying, and then you have your buyers, right? And all that funnels down into a small funnel. So what you want to do is to get more orders is, price across the spectrum. So start, have your $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 art like any other artist, but you also want to do mini art. So if you start off at the bottom, do $20 art, $30 art, really small price dollar artworks, very small, and 8x10s, 5x7s, 6x10, really small size. There's all the way down on eBay, there's something called ASIO, which is kind of baseball card size. I don't know if I'd go that small, but you start small, and then you have paintings all along that spectrum. So if you do one style, do a single painting across that spectrum, and what will happen is you'll get people to buy the small work because they're like, it's $20, who cares? It's the price of a ticket of a movie, it's the price of a dinner, not much investment, right? So they buy it, and then it sits on their wall for a while or a bookshelf, and they grow attached to it. And once they grow attached to it, they're like, I want to invest more art. Who are they going to go to? They're going to go to some new artist for a really big piece they don't know at all. They don't know the quality of the work. Or you, who they already have their artwork in the house. They know its quality. They know kind of where it stands. They know how your system of mailing art is. So it's an easy way to really breach that divide between people that don't know your art and then they want to buy your art, right? So because it's so small and it's only $20, there's very little risk. I offer also 30-day guarantee, so there's almost no risk to buy your artwork and have it in their house. And it's just a little small piece. It's not much of a commitment. It's not a major large wall piece sitting over their fireplace where they might take like a year to figure it out what piece they want to get, which artist they want to get. So this is a great way to kind of bridge that divide between when they get to that level where you're selling the work you want at $500, $1,000, $2,000, and the beginning where no one knows your name and you do a lot of small work. You start selling that, you can do some more medium work, and you keep doing the small work, but most of your work is small, maybe 30-40%. Then you have some medium work, 30%, and then your remaining is kind of like that 20-25%. You do your larger, really large scale works. So in this way, you don't overproduce large work that no one buys, and you reach a large market because all those little pictures, if you have them on eBay, or you have them on Etsy, or you have them on Fine Art America, wherever you're selling, those are going to be a plethora of marketing devices. So each one of those paintings is its own marketing. So the more of those small works you have, the more marketing you have automatically that people are going to see. Be like, what's this artist? Oh, there's another one by this. Oh, there's another one. And they also recognize the more art they see of you, the more popular you are, the more you're a serious artist and you're collectible. So versus they see it once and they see 5 works of this guy and they're like, is this kind of a fly-by-night operation? Is he a hobby artist? Should I even consider collecting him? Then you're only going to get kind of your friends and family. And people that really love the art will pick it up, but those kind of people on the fence might not pick it up. So you really want to pick up those people on the fence with this strategy, because a lot of people, probably 90% of your customers are on the fence, right? So really getting that small work helps them bridge that divide and say, there's no risk, I want to just buy that little piece. It'll sit in my office, no big investment, I don't have to ask the wife. And so that'll really kind of bridge that gap and help you sell more work. That's my tip of the day.